Hi, it's Tasha from WTI, and I want to show you these gorgeous, realistic plant stickers.
These beautiful botanical stickers are vibrant colors with detailed prints. They appear like they are actual dried leaves and flowers. I love just to combine different plants and flowers to create some beautiful arts and crafts. The sticker is light and delicate with a clear back so you can see how easy it is to adhere it to any object. Also, the adhesion is strong enough to stick to just about anything. I think that it looks really cool on transparent backgrounds like glass. I love thinking of easy ways to decorate in my style, and these stickers are really awesome for that. I love the deep greens and the bright pinks and all the yellows.
These are so delicate and beautiful, and I definitely will be repurchasing them. But that's just my point of view.